everyone, today we are going to install Anaconda on macOS. So first of all, open your browser and type Anaconda. Then go to this website. Go to the free download. Skip registration, and as we are going to install on macOS, so we are going to download the version for Mac, and this is a MacBook Air M1, so we are going to download the Apple Silicon version. Okay, so it will take some time. Here we can see the download is done. Click on it to open, allow, continue, agree, continue, install, type the password. It will take some time. Fully installed, so you can close it. Now go to the launchpad and you'll see here the Anaconda navigator. Open it. Here you can use it online and offline as well. So let's see both. In this option, Anaconda Cloud Notebooks, if you launch it, here is our online Jupyterlab. So let's print something. Hit the subscribe button and run it. Hit the subscribe button, please. To launch the Jupyter notebook offline, then you can simply click on this button and get it, but there is a shortcut. So let's open the terminal first. Type Python 3 space hyphen version to check the installed Python version. So on my PC I have already installed 3.12.7 version, but if you haven't installed it, then type simply brew install Python. It will take some time. Then it's showing that I have already installed the up-to-date version. Okay, now type brew install Jupyterlab. I have already installed that, so I don't need to reinstall that again. Type pip install notebook. Now simply type Jupyter notebook, and here is the offline version. So click on the new button, Python 3, and let's print something. So print hit the subscribe button and run it. And here we go. Hit the subscribe button, please. And now every time you want to open the Jupyterlab offline, just open the terminal and type Jupyter notebook, and here we go. New Python 3. Here is your offline notebook. Thank you so much.